Which carry-on bag is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, BagSmart Packing Cubes. First up, we have the BagSmart Compression Packing Cubes. Priced at just $29.99, these packing cubes really caught my eye because they promise to save you space while keeping your clothing organized. If you want to maximize your luggage space without compromising on style, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These cubes come in a set that includes different sizes, so you can easily separate items like jackets, shirts, and even underwear. The true space-saving feature, they actually compress your clothes, allowing you to fit double the amount in your suitcase. With over 5,000 units sold in just the past month, it's clear that a lot of travelers are loving these. Now, some people complained about the durability of the fabric after multiple uses. Here's the thing though, if you're careful with your packing and not overstuffing them, they should hold up just fine. So if you're a frequent traveler who values organization, this is perfect for you. Skip this one if you prefer traditional packing methods and dislike using separate organizers.
Product number 2, Away the Everywhere Bag. Next, let's talk about the Away the Everywhere Bag, priced at $198. This bag is designed for those who want something sleek and functional without compromising on style. If you want a versatile bag that goes from the office to the airport seamlessly, this is worth a serious look. It's crafted with water-repellent nylon and leather trim, which means it's ready for whatever weather might come your way. The standout feature is its size. It meets airline personal item requirements and has a padded laptop pocket that fits up to a 16-inch device. With thoughtful organization throughout, including slip pockets for your essentials and a trolley sleeve to attach to your luggage, it really keeps everything in its place. So if you're tired of rummaging for your laptop or water bottle, this bag's for you. However, I did notice some reviews mentioning that the bag can feel a bit heavy when fully loaded, but honestly, if you're organized, you won't have that issue. If you're looking for a stylish bag that adapts to your busy life, this is perfect for you. Skip this if you prefer a lighter, more minimalistic option. Now, if organization is key, but you want something a little cozier, this next product is for you.
Product number 3, Bouquet Travel Blanket. Moving on, we have the Bouquet Soft and Warm Travel Blanket, priced at $18.69. This caught my attention because it's not just a blanket, it's a travel essential. If you want to stay warm and cozy during long flights, this is worth a serious look. It's made of breathable micro plush, measuring 40 by 63 inches, which means it's big enough to snuggle up in, yet compact enough to carry. The 2-in-1 design lets you use it as a pillow or a blanket, making it super versatile. Plus, with a luggage sleeve and backpack clip, it's hands-free and perfect for travel. Many travelers are raving about how it keeps them comfortable on long journeys, which is exactly what you need when you're stuck in cramped airplane seats. However, some users mention that it can shed a bit after washing. But honestly, if you're using it primarily for travel and not expecting it to hold up.
Product number 4, the Verti Toiletry Bag. Next up is the Verti Vertical Waterproof Makeup and Toiletry Bag, priced at $65.99. I found this one intriguing because it offers so much organization in a compact design. If you need to keep your toiletries and makeup in check while traveling, this is worth a serious look. With 23 pockets, including adjustable dividers, you can customize the layout to fit everything from large bottles to tiny makeup items. The waterproof design ensures your products stay safe and clean, which is a huge plus for anyone who's had a spill in their bag before. And the fold-down design lets you see everything at a glance, saving you from digging around in your luggage. Given its thoughtful design, it's no wonder it's gaining popularity. Yet, some users have noted that it could feel bulky when packed tightly. But honestly, that just comes with having more organization. If you value keeping your essentials organized without sacrificing space, this is perfect for you. Skip this if you prefer a more minimalist approach to packing. Now, if you're still searching for the ultimate carry-on experience, the last product might just blow your mind.
Product number 5, BagSmart Compression Cubes again. But this time, the 2 sets. These are an absolute must-have for any traveler. The price varies depending on the set, but trust me, these are essential if you want to maximize your carry-on space. If you want to fit more into your luggage while staying organized, this is worth a serious look. Just like before, these packing cubes can compress your clothes, saving tons of space. They're lightweight and durable, which is critical when you're trying to avoid excess baggage fees. Many users are blown away by how much they can fit into their bags with these cubes. It's a game changer when you're trying to travel light. Now, a few users did mention that they wish they came in more colors or patterns, but here's the thing. Saving space and keeping organized is the priority, and these cubes deliver on that front. This is perfect for anyone who travels frequently and wants to maximize their packing efficiency. Skip this if you prefer to throw everything in without any organization. To wrap it all up, we've covered some of the best carry-on options today, from the versatile away bag to the cozy boa-K blanket and the smart organization of the Verdi. Each one has its unique features tailored to different travel needs.
In conclusion, whether you're looking for organization, comfort, or a stylish travel bag, there's something for everyone in this list. The BagSmart packing cubes are great for maximizing space. The away bag gives you style and functionality. The boa-K blanket adds comfort, and the Verdi offers unmatched organization. Choose what's best for your travel style, and happy traveling!